Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to properly clamp a knife in the dual cam vise, and we'll talk a little bit about how to use some of the repeatability tools. Repeatability is one of the great strengths of the Wicked Edge sharpening system. All of our sharpeners offer repeatable results. And the tools that we use for repeatability will come into play a little bit when we're talking about clamping blades in the vise, such as the depth key and the alignment guide. We will go further into how to actually use these a little further along in the series, but for now, just know what they are and that they will be mentioned in this particular video. Repeatability is very important because it makes your touch-ups easy, fast, and it means you remove less unnecessary metal from your knives, which extends the lifetime of them. Actual operation of this dual cam vise is quite simple. Simply place your blade into the vise jaws and with your other hand, press down on the lever. In order to move this lever out of the way, simply slide it to the side. If you want to change the handedness of your vise lever, simply undo this screw here. Make sure the little washer on top of it comes with it. And flip your handle over. Then reattach the screw without dropping it like I just did. So the first thing I want to look at when I'm going to clamp a blade is how actually wide the blade is from spine to edge. This is important because for repeatability purposes, I always want to be clamping my blade at the same depth within the vise. So in this case, when a blade is over an inch from spine to edge, I will set it all the way down into the vise and rest it at the shelf on the bottom, and then clamp. For a smaller blade that measures less than 1 inch between spine and edge, I'm going to actually take my depth key, one of my repeatability tools, and insert it into the set of holes on the side of the vise jaws, and then rest my blade on that before I clamp. The next thing to consider when first clamping a blade is the forward and back positioning. Now, just as a baseline, we recommend placing the belly of the blade, where this real curve starts to happen, about at the back of the vise. Now, this is approximate, but I'm going to just unclamp the blade, slide it forward and backwards until I feel like it's in a good spot, and then reclamp it, leaving it rested on the prongs of that depth key. In this video, we showed you how to find the approximate clamping location for your blades, and in the next video, we'll show you how to refine that, make sure it's actually in the exact right spot, as well as how to find your angle.